So I want to learn today, Andy, what really is the best way you think to stand out on a portal.
Yep.
So like a listing portal, realestate.com or domain most commonly in Australia, where they're looking at the properties available in their market.
I guess there's a few ways you can do it, right? So I'm sure you've been on these portals many times and you scroll through and you're looking.
Too many times.
Right? One of the most common things that I see is that every single real estate agent will use the front shot as the main photo. So you're looking and it's front of the house, front of the house, front of the house, front of the house. Then occasionally you might see a pull shot. What has that pull shot done? It's stood out.
Yeah, it's interrupted.
It's interrupted
the monotony of it as well. Yeah,
right. So I guess my first tip is don't use the front of the house. I think that's probably your worst possible photo that you could use, because it's just going to blend in with every other house.
Right? Also, my ad, it's the thing you can always see on Google Earth as well, or when you drive past.
Exactly.
It does not give it much. My favourite is when the signboard has a picture of the front of the property as well.
I don't understand that. You know, you're going to put a signboard in front of the house and it's got a front shot on it. It's just ridiculous. But look, the thing is as well that you don't live on the outside of the house. So you should be selling its best features. Yeah. And generally speaking, yes, a home can look good from the front, but it's not why someone will buy a house. You know, the kitchen might be, the bathroom might be, the pool area might be, you know, outdoor entertainment might be. So my first tip is don't use the front shot, sell some of its features as the hero shot. Yeah. The other thing that you should probably do is consider using different lighting in your photos. You know, so you can do things like dusk shots. You can also do black and white. So in my opinion, I love black and white. And the reason is that it really interrupts the scroll. You know, people are scrolling through the 15, 30, 40, 50 properties in that suburb for sale, and they're all in color, and then all of a sudden they see this one in black and white, like they're a bit like stung by it, like, what's this? They might look a little bit deeper, and then hopefully you get the click. The other way that I think you should really set yourself apart is, they say pictures say 1,000 words, right? Well, what can a property video do? A property video can elevate your property listing to a whole nother level. And what a lot of people don't realize is that in a video you can actually sell more of the lifestyle and how you'd actually live in the home. You know, you can actually tell a story, you can invite them in, you can actually show them how, you know, the layout works, or how that kitchen works, or how that home theater is set up, and you can actually sort of portray this lifestyle through the use of video. You know, so if you really want to elevate that listing, you really want to stand out, then I think property video is a no-brainer.
I wish I had the numbers, but I know that the engagement or the rate at which properties with advertising videos get viewed is way more than standard picture-based ads.
100%. And even if you look at the social media channels, you know, like if you look at Facebook and Instagram, they want video. They do. Why? Because that retains the attention of the user. So if you're going to optimize your marketing for social media, then you need to be using property video. It's a no-brainer.
No-brainer. Oh, you're still here?
Wait, I haven't seen you subscribe yet.
Go ahead and subscribe. Oh, and while you're at it, why don't you follow us on Instagram too? Sound like a good idea?
Sounds like a good idea. See you soon.